Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to dissolve or end an LLC. I'm Mark Lyda from the Lyda Law Firm. Let's get started. In some ways, dissolving an LLC is similar to starting an LLC. Technically, it's as simple as going on the Secretary of State's website for your state and registering a form that you can do quickly and easily online. Currently in Colorado, the fee for that form is $25. But in addition to just simply going on and filing that form online, you also need to consider all different sorts of winding up considerations for your LLC. So first, start with the operating agreement. What does the operating agreement say about dissolution, dissolving your LLC? If you are a multi-member LLC, meaning you have partners, who has to agree to the dissolution? Is there a majority vote? Does it have to be a unanimous vote or what? By default, the LLC statute in Colorado says that unanimous agreement of the members of an LLC is sufficient to allow the LLC to dissolve. In addition to looking at your operating agreement and making sure that you have the authority to dissolve the LLC, you will also want to document any vote that occurs between members to make sure that all the members are in agreement and that it is documented so you can prove it later that everybody agreed to dissolve this LLC. Now, winding up your LLC also includes things such as closing your bank accounts, distributing all the assets of your LLC, and then you have to figure out if your LLC also has outstanding liabilities. Are there lawsuits pending against you? Do you have creditors? Are you in debt as an LLC? If so, you are not required to provide a formal notice to your creditors, but doing so can be prudent because it can help protect you because it starts the clock ticking for when your creditors can try to come after the LLC or potentially you for those liabilities. You'll also need to take into consideration any debts the LLC has if you are distributing assets and paying out all of the former members of the LLC. If there is a claim, a lawsuit, even a potential lawsuit against you, you have to be very careful about taking or giving distributions from your LLC and taking the money out of it because you don't want it to look like you are trying to avoid judgment against you that can have serious consequences. But the actual process of dissolving your LLC is super simple. You check with your operating agreement to make sure you are following your own rules about how to dissolve, and then you simply file a statement of dissolution on your state Secretary of State's website. Thanks for watching, and please remember to click like and subscribe to help keep legal education free for small business owners. I'm 100%. I'm always 100%.